Mirai-chan, can you do me a favor, please?
What is it?
I need you to watch the baby for 5 minutes.
Baby? When did you have a baby? I thought you were just fat.
I'm babysitting for the neighbor. And my weight is Nanya.
Nanya?
Nanya business.
Okay. Where is this baby at?
In the bedroom. Whatever you do, don't feed it, okay?
Okay.
5 minutes, be good.
Where are you going, by the way?
To the bathroom.
You gonna poop?
Yes, I'm going to poop.
Ew, Nechan, you're gross.
You asked for it. Go. Watch the baby, okay?
Baby, where are you?
Hungry. Thank you.
Nechan, you didn't tell me that the baby is so creepy.
That's not very nice. Just go watch her, make sure she's okay.
Hi, creepy baby. She's not here. Are you under the pillow?
Thank you.
Don't hit me! I'm not very tasty. I'm not tasty at all. Nechan, the baby is hungry.
It's okay, just play with her.
But she wants to eat me.
She's not gonna eat you. She's just playing. Don't be such a drama queen. Go.
Hungry.
Creepy baby. Sorry, you can't eat yet. Nechan, she bit me. Now I'm bloody.
Big deal. You're such a drama queen. Just 2 more minutes.
I'm already dead.
I'm back. What's with all the noise, Mirai-chan?
Oh, nothing. We made friends. And I fed the baby.
What? I told you not to feed her. What did you feed her?
You're so cute. Look how creepy you are. Ah, baby.